If I had to start from zero, here's exactly what I'll do. If I lost everything today, no followers, no income, no brand, here's exactly what I'll do to rebuild fast without selling my soul or burning out. If you're sitting there wondering, where do I even begin? This video is going to give you a clear path. If you don't know who I am, I'm Rebecca, and I help men and women build a high ticket sales business with strategy, confidence, and just being themselves. I know how overwhelming it can be when you're just starting. So I want to break this down. No fluffy stuff, no noise, just real steps that actually work in today's market. So step one is get crystal clear on your end goal. I can't stress on how important this is. Most people fail online because they are building blindly. They are chasing trends online, trying 100 different things at once, hoping that something is going to just stick. But if I were to start again, the first thing I'll do is get crystal clear on this question, which is, what kind of life do I want my business to create for me? So important. I would suggest write this down. Do I want time freedom? Do I want 10K plus months? Do I want to work 3 hours a day or 10 hours? Once I know the outcome, I can choose a model that gets me there the fastest. Not every online income stream leads to freedom. You need to pick one that's scalable, simple, and proven. For me, it's always been high ticket sales. So I've been doing this for years now. And this comes to step two, which is pick a solid high ticket offer, a business model that has been around for a very long time, that you know is solid. Forget about trying to build from scratch. If I was to start again and I had zero experience, I wouldn't waste time creating a product first. You can build your own after, once you've gained all the skills and the experience. I'll plug into an existing high ticket offer that has real transformation, pays 3K to 10K per sale. I know some people are mind blown, but that's the kind of business you need to get into, and that already works. That way, I can focus on learning the actual skills that matter, and that is content that converts, messaging that attracts, sales that feel aligned. Why sell something for $27 when you could earn 3K or 10K with the same effort and the same mindset? And this comes to step three, which is build my presence with intentional content. You don't need to be an influencer. You need to become a trusted voice. Building your own personal brand around your passions, your lifestyle, your hobbies, who you are, what you're about. This is where you get to discover you on a deeper level, which is the fun part. It's a transformation journey. That's what entrepreneurship is. Here's what I'll do. So I'll create short form content daily, reels, TikTok, YouTube, shorts, and focus on solving real problems, not being trendy. And speak to the version of me who was stuck, not the whole internet. You don't want to talk to everyone, because we know once you do that, you're basically talking to no one. So you want to know who you want to work with and who your brand is about. And create one piece of content a day that builds your authority fast, even with zero followers. And the truth is, your audience doesn't care how big you are. They care if you understand them and if you can help them, which is super, super important. And this comes to step four, which is sell through conversations. So forget about sales pages, funnels, and email lists and all that kind of stuff. At the start, those aren't your priority. I'll focus on real connection, and that is start conversations in the DMs. The humans that we have forgotten how to connect with people face to face on a deeper level. So this is going to get you out of your comfort zone, but it's super important. Like, ask questions, offer insights, build trust, learn how to close high ticket offers through genuine connection. And the most important one is run paid ads. This is the fastest way for you to make sales, and if you want to scale your business, it's the fastest way to do it. This is how I made my first 10K month with content, with ads, and automation. Love automation so much. But from learning how to communicate value and learn the skills that's required. We all have to learn skills if we want to build an online business, like every successful entrepreneur has. If I were to start over again today, this is exactly what I would spend my energy on. I know the skills now. And once you know how to sell, how to serve, how to show up and just be real with clarity, you'll never have to start from zero ever again. That's why it's so important for everyone to learn skills. Whether it's marketing, whether it's sales, whatever it is, you need to learn the skills. So if you're watching this and you have no idea on how to begin, don't focus on building something perfect because nothing's perfect. Focus on building something that is real. Just be yourself. Show up online. This is what we love. Seeing people that's just being genuine. And if you want help shortcutting the noise and build a business that pays you like a CEO, you already know where to find me. You're not behind, you're just getting started, which is amazing. If this helped you get clear, hit the like button below or drop a comment. I'd love to hear any questions that you have, and please do subscribe to my channel for more straight up the truth videos, and I will see you on the next video.